Hi, come on in. Today I'm going to show you how to make an increase stitch. Now, this is a tiny swatch of UK trebles or US doubles that I will use so that I can show you how to do this. And it really is quite simple. So this is our next stitch here, and you can see where the V is, and we want to go underneath both of them. And what we do to increase is we make two UK trebles or US doubles into the next stitch. So very simply, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over and pulling it back through, pull through two, pull through two, but instead of moving on to the next one, we do it into the same stitch, just like that. And that makes an increase stitch for your row. Really simple, really easy to do. It would be the same if we're doing a single crochet. So if in the next we were using single crochets, we would simply put our hook through, pull it through, and pull through two, and in the same stitch, make another one. And that would be exactly the same. We've got two stitches in that stitch below, which would make an increase, and that would be the same for any of the stitches that you make, whether it be UK double treble, US treble, or for any of these, you make two stitches into that next stitch. Very simple, very easy to do. Thank you for joining me, for keeping me company. I'll see you in the next one.